Thank you for joining us on Siouxland Business Spotlight. I'm RJ Breen. This morning I'm joined by Jayte Burns with the Thrasher Foundation Repair. Jayte, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you, RJ.
So kind of talk to us a little bit about what does Thrasher Foundation Repair do?
As a family-owned business for the last 50 years, we fix and warranty homes. We've actually done over 200,000 homes, and that includes fixing foundations, concrete repair, waterproofing basement, gutter solutions, and other things. And the goal is to educate homeowners so they're empowered and have peace of mind to make a great decision.
And so you had talked about concrete a little bit. What should homeowners be looking for if they're concerned with their concrete?
Yeah, I think the obvious things are the cracks in the sunken concrete. The less obvious is how water is pooling, especially if it's up against the foundation. And then, unfortunately, the one that's probably most overlooked are those tripping hazards. So keeping a close eye on those, whether it's aesthetics, home value, safety, or what we call health of the home, those can be stressful. We're here to help.
And so what should folks' next steps be, and how do they get in contact with Thrasher?
Yeah, first thing is don't wait. Small problems become big problems and only become more stressful. Go to gothrasher.com. Again, that's gothrasher.com. Lots of great information, and we can set you up with a free estimate.
Awesome. Well, that's some great information for homeowners out there that might be looking to repair their concrete or their foundation or anything in between. Jayte Burns with Thrasher Foundation Repair, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us on Siouxland Business Spotlight. We hope to see you back here on the next one.